May I commence the proceedings, my lord? தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
My lord, now I read the notification issued by the Government of India. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Sri 1. Ramasamy Saktivel, 2. P. Dhanapal, 3. Chinnasamy Kumarappan, and 4. Kandasamy Rajshekhar to be additional judges of the Madras High Court in that order of seniority for a period of 2 years with effect from the date they assume charge of their respective offices. Signed, Rajendra Gossip, Special Secretary to the Government of India. I read the authorization given by Hon'ble the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you, Mr. Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to the following judicial officers in that seniority who have been appointed as additional judges of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date they assume charge of their offices. 1. Sri Ramasamy Saktivel, 2. Sri P. Dhanapal, 3. Sri Chinnasamy Kumarappan, 4. Sri Kandasamy Rajshekhar. Signed, R.N. Ravi. Now I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru Ramasamy Saktivel. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Ramasamy Saktivel to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 18th day of May in the year 2023, 28th Vaishakha, 1945 Saga, in the 74th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India. I request Sri Ramasamy Saktivel to take oath of office.
I, Ramasamy Saktivel,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
உட்காந்து பாருங்க. இதாக இருக்குது. Sit down.
Thank you, my lord. Now I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru P. Dhanapal. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri P. Dhanapal to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 18th day of May in the year 2023, 28th Vaishakha, 1945 Saga, in the 74th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India. I request through P. Dhanapal to take oath of office.
I,
P. Dhanapal,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
இருக்கட்டுங்க, அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். Keep it over.
Thank you, my lord. Now I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru Chinnasamy Kumarappan. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Chinnasamy Kumarappan to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 18th day of May in the year 2023, 28th Vaishakha, 1945 Saga, in the 74th year of Republic of India, signed President of India. I request through Chinnasamy Kumarappan to take oath of office.
I,
Chinnasamy Kumarappan,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
அது அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும்.
Thank you, my lord. Now I read the warrant of appointment of Thiru Kandasamy Rajashekar. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Kandasamy Rajashekar to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, is 18th day of May in the year 2023, 28th Vaishakha, 1945 Shaka, in the 74th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India. I request through Kandasamy Rajashekar to take oath of office.
I,
Kandasamy Rajashekar,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my lord. I request the learned Advocate General to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, the newly elevated judges, Honorable Justices Thiruvalargal Ramasamy Saktivel, P. Dhanapal, Chinnasamy Kumarappan and Kandasamy Rajashekar, friends and family members of the newly elevated Honorable Judges, Learned Additional Solicitor General South Zone through Sankaranarayana, Learned Additional Solicitor General through A.R.L. Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate General Thiruvalargal Aja Naziruddin, Silambannan, Veera Kadiravan, Ramanlal, Arun, Bhaskaran, Kumaresan, Neelakandan and Ravindran. Learned State Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Mohammad Jinnah, Learned State Government Pleader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned Government Pleader Thiru Tilakumar, Madurai, Learned Government Law Officers of Tamil Nadu at Principal Bench and Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Learned Public Prosecutor of Puducherry Thiru K.S. Mohandas, Learned Government Pleader Puducherry Thiru Ravi Kumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Puducherry and Law Officers of the Union of India, Thiru Amalraj, Chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Thiru S. Prabhakaran, Hon'ble Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Thiru Kamalanathan, President of the Madras Bar Association, Thiru Mohan Krishnan, President of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Thiru Louisa Ramesh, President of the Women Law Association, Thiru P. Selvaraj, President of the Law Association, and other office bearers of the respective association, Registrar General in charge, Thiru Jyotiraman, the officers and the staff of the Registry of the Madras High Court at the principal seat and the bench of Madurai, fellow senior advocates and beloved junior law advocates, representatives of the electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen, my humble vanakkam and sincere greetings to all of you. We have assembled here today to welcome the 4 newly appointed additional judges, Honorable Justices Thiruvalar Ramsamy Saktivel, P. Dhanapal, Chinnasamy Kumarappan and Kandasamy Rajshekhar, who took oath as additional judges of this esteemed High Court of Madras. At the outset, let me congratulate your lordships on your being selected as additional judges, and I use this felicitous opportunity to extend a warm welcome to the newly sworn-in judges of this Chartered High Court. For all of the 4 honorable judges who have been elevated, judging is not a new profession and they have extensive experience from their judicial services, which they embraced by joining the district judiciary in 2011. Out of the 4, 3 of your lordships, namely Honorable Justices R. Saktivel, C. Kumarappan Dhanapal, served as the Registrar General of the High Court of Madras, while Justice 3 K. Rajshekhar served as the Member Secretary of the Tamil Nadu State Legal Services Authority. This reflected your lordship's closeness to the Madras High Court and familiarity in working alongside the members of the prestigious Madras Bar. I shall offer a quick introduction of the newly elevated judges for the benefit of this audience today. His Lordship Thiru R. Saktivel was born on 21st of July 1973, to a couple Thiru C. Ramasamy and Thirumadi Vepai. He hails from Vangal village, a village at the banks of River Kaveri in the Karur district. After completing his early education at the government schools, he pursued bachelor law degree at Government Law College Tiruchi, from where he received his degree in 1997. He enrolled as an advocate in 1998 with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and started practicing law. He joined the district judiciary in 2011 through direct recruitment and began service as a judge in several places. His lordship held positions such as additional district judge in Tanjavur and Coimbatore, Administrator General and the official trustee, AGOT of Tamil Nadu, Registrar General of the Madras High Court, Principal District Judge of the Coimbatore and Krishnagiri district. His Lordship Thiru P. Dhanapal was born on 5th of March 1974 in Thoranakkalpatti village, Karur district. His parents are Thiru T. Papusamy and Thirumadi Palniammal. He did his schooling in government school and obtained BSc degree from the Government Arts College and Science in Karur district. Subsequently, he graduated in law from Government Law College, Tiruchi. He enrolled as an advocate in 1998 with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. In 2011, his lordship entered the district judicial service and joined as additional district munsif Dharmapuri and also served as additional sub-judge in Dharmapuri. Thereafter, he held the position of additional district judge in Tirunelveli, principal judge in Kadalur, chief judge in Puducherry. From April 2021 until his elevation, he served as the Registrar General for the Madras High Court's principal bench. His Lordship Justice Thiru C. Kumarappan was born on July 15, 1972 at Thiru A.T. Chinnasamy and Tilagam, Tirumati Tilagam. He is a native of Sivagangai district. He completed schooling in Vallalpari High Secondary School, Kuntrakudi, and enrolled in the Government Law College, Coimbatore. He graduated in BL degree in 1996. After directly recruited to the District Judiciary in 2011, he was posted as second additional district munsif in Thoothukudi. Later, he became additional sub-judge of Thoothukudi. He served as the additional district judge in Madurai and deputed as an officer of the special duty IT-Statistics in Principal Bench of Madras High Court. Additionally, he presided over the NDPS Special Court as a judge in 2015. After that, he was appointed as Registrar IT-Statistics and Registrar General of the Madras High Court. Later, he was appointed as the presiding officer of the Principal Labour Court, Chennai, and where he remained till his elevation. His Lordship Thiru K. Rajashekar was born on 29th of April 1975 to a couple Thiru K. Kandasamy and Tirumadi Lakshmi Kutti. He is native of Chennai district. After completion of his schooling, he pursued his BL degree in 1998 and enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry. He then started practicing in Chennai and frequently appeared before High Court of Madras. Following a brief spell as an advocate, he joined the District Judicial Service in 2011 and served as judge in districts such as Namakkal and Salem. In 2015, he was appointed as the presiding officer of the Industrial Tribunal in Chennai. Subsequently, his Lordship served as the principal district judge Tirunelveli. He also served as member secretary of the Tamil Nadu State Legal Services Authority. He held the position of principal district judge Coimbatore district from June 2022 until his elevation. With these words, I wholeheartedly congratulate your Lordships on your elevation to the bench. Your Lordship's addition makes the strength of the High Court as 64. Already we have 48 permanent and 12 additional judges. To quote Thiruvalluvar, loss and gain come not without cause. It is the ornament of the wise to preserve evenness of mind. In Tamil, Kedum Perukamum Illalla Nenjathu Kodamai Sandror Kani. I fondly hope that the newly appointed judges would protect and strengthen the customs of the Madras Bar and reinforce them by applying the established principles of law and precedents when necessary. Your Lordship's years of legal expertise, judicial training and administrative experience would also be beneficial in proper discharge of judicial duties. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity, let me once more express a warm welcome to the newly appointed additional judges. Furthermore, I guarantee your Lordships that the bar will extend its full support and every cooperation with you in order to carry out your judicial functions. Similar to how your Lordships joined the district services, the judicial services on the same day, you all have assumed office as additional judges of this Honorable High Court today to begin your second innings in the judicial life. I hope your Lordship's presence on the bench will advance the constitutional goals further and guarantee the advancement of social justice, scientific temper, the spirit of inquiry and humanism. I wish each of you success in your tenure with this Honorable High Court of Madras and all future endeavours to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, former Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Saktivel, Honorable Mr. Justice P. Dhanapal, Honorable Mr. Justice C. Kumarappan, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Rajashekar, who have taken oath as Judges of the Chartered Madras High Court, and their family, members and friends, Mr. R. Shanmugh Sundaram, Advocate General, Mr. R. Sankara Narayanan and A. R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor Generals, all Additional Advocate General, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K. S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Mohana Krishnan, the Co-Chairman, Bar Council and the President, Madras High Court Advocate Association, Mr. V. R. Kamalnathan, Mrs. Louisal Ramesh, respective President, Madras Women Bar Lawyers Associations, Mr. Jayaraman, Vice President, Law Associations, other President and Secretaries of all Bar Advocate Association, the State of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Senior Advocates, members of the legal fraternity, good morning to all. It's my great pleasure to participate in the swearing-in ceremony, and I feel pride to welcome and wish our newly appointed Honorable Judges of the prestigious Chartered High Court. The Honorable Mr. Justice R. Saktivel was born in Karur district and got enrolled the Bar Council on 10th day of November 1997. The Honorable Judge has entered in the judicial service in the year of 2011 and rendered service with full dedication and thereafter appointed as Registrar General of this Madras High Court. During his tenure as Registrar General, the Honorable Judge has come across with both administrative and judicial work, and the same will greatly help the Honorable Judge to discharge his function in a rapid manner. I wholeheartedly welcome the Honorable Mr. Justice R. Saktivel. The Honorable Mr. Justice P. Dhanapal was born in Karur district and got enrolled as an advocate in the rolls of the Bar Council on 20th day of October 1998. The Honorable Judge served as a judicial officer in various districts. The Honorable Judge was appointed as Registrar General during the pandemic period and has rendered significant role in developing the technology in the court works, such as bringing virtual hearing, e-filing, etc. in proactive manner. The Honorable Judge has taken utmost care and caution and helped in overcoming several challenges for the functioning of the courts in the COVID-19 situation. My warmest welcome to the Honorable Mr. Justice P. Dhanapal. The Honorable Mr. Justice C. Kumarappan was born in Sivaganga district and got enrolled in the Bar Council on 27th day of March 1996 and selected the judicial service in the year of 2011. The Honorable Judge withholds the pride of first register in IT cum statistics and also served as a Registrar General of this prestigious High Court for implementing several e-courts projects for the easy access to the advocates and litigant public. The ideology of our Honorable Judge has played an important role. The Honorable Judge was also invited to participate in the judiciary-oriented programs from different parts of the country. I proudly welcome the Honorable Mr. Justice C. Kumarappan. The Honorable Mr. Justice K. Rajashekar was born on Chennai and got enrolled before the Bar Council on 27th day of August 1998. The Honorable Judge started his practice in the High Court and entered the judicial service in the year of 2011 and served in various courts throughout the state of Tamil Nadu and disposed of innumerable cases. Now the Honorable Judge has taken oath as Judge of the High Court, and the vast knowledge gathered from all fields of law will help for the disposal of the cases in the High Court. My humble welcome to the Honorable Mr. Justice K. Rajashekar. The district level courts and the judges are the foundation of the Indian judiciary and taking important role for upholding the rule of law. Since the 4 newly appointed judges were from district judiciary, the rich experience in the judiciary for more than 10 years will pave for the better dispensation of justice along with the array of the honorable judges of this High Court. It is pertinent to mention here that our Honorable Acting Chief Justice, who is the son of the soil, has taken charge as Acting Chief Justice on 22nd day of September 2022. From the date of assuming office to till today, the Honorable Judge has administered oath of office to 18 judges as judges of this High Court. The same gives pride to the legal fraternity and is an history in the Indian judiciary. The Honorable Acting Chief Justice actively served not only for the judiciary and also for the welfare of the advocates. It is also pertinent to mention that the steps taken by the acting Chief Justice, along with the Honorable Mr. Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Mahadevan, in renovating the Madras High Court Advocate Association Library by spending their valuable time is appreciable. At this juncture, I would like to share the quote of Dr. Justice D.Y. Chanchud, the Honorable Chief Justice of India. I quote, "Serving the people of the country is my priority, be it in the technology, or be it in the registry, or be it in the judicial reforms. I will take care of citizens in every aspect," I unquote. We assure that the 4 judges who have already served both in the judiciary as well as the administrative side are well aware about the difficulties faced by the advocates and the litigant public at all levels. And on realizing the same, they would take care of the citizens in all aspects. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I assure our fullest cooperation for smooth function of the judiciary. At this juncture, I thank the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, the Honorable Madras High Court, and the governments for appointing the Honorable Judges who have sworn in today. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I make a request to the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court of India and the Government of India to immediately consider and appoint other judges as per the recommendation made by the Collegium of the Madras High Court as early as possible. Once again, I welcome and wish the newly appointed Honorable Judges for the continued success in the future endeavors. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges of this Honorable High Court, Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General, Mr. R. Shankaranarayanan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthukumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. P.S. Amarraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. V.R. Kamalanathan, President, Madras Bar Association, Mr. Louis Al Ramesh, President, Women Lawyers Association, Mr. Selvaraj, President, Law Association. I am extremely delighted to welcome my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Ramasamy Saktivel, Honorable Mr. Justice P. Dhanapal, Honorable Mr. Justice Chinnasamy Kumarappan, and Honorable Mr. Justice Kandasamy Rajasekhar. Honorable Justice Ramasamy Saktivel, Honorable Justice P. Dhanapal, Honorable Justice Chinnasamy Kumarappan's rich experience in subordinate judiciary and in the registry of this chartered High Court as Registrar General, and Honorable Mr. Justice Kandasamy Rajasekhar's rich experience in subordinate judiciary will take our Madras High Court to great heights. I take this opportunity to thank His Lordship Acting Chief Justice for the keen interest shown by Your Lordship in renovating and reorganizing the library hall of Madras High Court Advocate Association. The members of the bar are deeply indebted for the gesture that has been shown by Your Lordship for the welfare of the advocates. As a mark of respect and gesture for Your Lordship, and upon the request of the Madras High Court Advocate Association to symbolize deep gratitude and to honor our esteemed Acting Chief Justice for his remarkable contribution, the Child Welfare Committee in Chennai has named an 8-day-old infant boy as Raja. The child, now known as Raja, has been entrusted to a specialized adoption agency in Chennai. The Madras High Court Advocate Association will continue to have the patronage of Your Lordship even after retirement. Once again, on behalf of the Madras High Court Advocate Association and on behalf of our Secretary, Mr. R. Krishnakumar, Vice President Sudha, I welcome the newly sworn-in judges to the esteemed Chartered High Court. Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, sir. I request the President, Madras Bar Association to give welcome address.
my Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, companion judges, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Ramasamy Saktivel, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice P. Dhanapal, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Chinnasamy Kumarappan, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Kandasamy Rajsegar, the Honorable former judges, Justice Vijayaraghavan, Justice Ravichandra Babu, Justice Kalyana Sundaram, and Justice M. Govindarajan, my respected Advocate General Mr. R. Shanmuga Sundaram, Senior Advocate, and Additional Solicitor General Mr. R. Shankar Narayan, Senior Advocate, Additional Solicitor General Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Additional Advocate Generals, Public Prosecutor and Government Pleader of the State of Tamil Nadu, Government Pleader Puducherry, and Law Officers of the State and Central, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and its members, Mr. G. Mohankrishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association and its office bearers, Mrs. Lucial Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association and its office bearers, Mr. Jayaraman, Secretary, Law Association and its office bearers, senior advocates and members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. On behalf of the Madras Bar Association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure in extending your lordships a very warm and hearty welcome on your assumption of office as Honorable Judges of this Chartered High Court. The statue of great Manunidhi Chodan stands in this Chartered High Court shows the fairness in rendering justice. The impartial conduct of judicial administration is laid down by famous saint Thiruvalluvar in Tirukkural, Saman Seidi Sirthukkum Kolbol, Amindurubal Kodamai Sandror Kani, meaning to incline to neither side but rest impartial as the even fixed scale is the ornament of the wise. The Honorable Judges R. Saktivel, Justice P. Dhanapal, Justice C. Kumarappan, all have served as Registrar Generals of this Chartered High Court. During their service, we frequently approach for various grievances of the bar, and we have been given warm welcome, and the grievances were redressed in time by your lordships. The Madras Bar Association assures the Honorable Judges that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of our duty as the judges of this Honorable High Court. The Madras Bar Association wishes the Honorable Judges a successful, satisfying and memorable tenure of office in this High Court. Thank you, one and all. Nandri Vanakkam.
I request the President, Women Lawyers Association to give welcome address.
அனைவருக்கும் பணிவான காலை வணக்கம். அஞ்சாமை ஈகை அறிவுக்கம் இந்நான்கும் எஞ்சாமை வேந்தற்கு இயல்பு என்ற திருக்குறளின் நாயகர், my Lord Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other companion judges, Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, Additional Solicitor General, State Public Prosecutor and other law officers, Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman All India Bar Council, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, President Madras Bar Association, President Law Association, former judges and family members of Honorable Judges and other dignitaries present here. On this special day, on behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I am proud to extend my warm and humble welcome to Honorable Justice Thiru Ramasamy Saktivel, Honorable Justice Thiru P. Dhanapal, Honorable Justice Thiru Chinnasamy Kumarappan, Honorable Justice Thiru Kandasamy Rajasegar to this great Chartered High Court. It is apt to quote a world-renowned Tirukkural in Tamil. அறனறிந்த ஆன்றமைந்த சொல்லான் எஞ்சான்றும் திறனறிந்தான் தேர்ச்சி துணையை. பொருள், அறநெறி உணர்ந்தவராகும், சொல்லாற்றல் கொண்டவராகும், செயல்திறன் படைத்தவராகும், ஆலோசனைகள் வழங்கக்கூடியவராகும் இருத்தலே சிறந்த நீதியாகும். In English, one who understanding the duties by special learning, able to render fullest advice and at all times perform actions is called justice. On behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I once again proud to welcome Honorable Judges to this Chartered High Court. We assure we will give our sincere prayers and support your Lordship. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, Madam. I request the President, Law Association to give welcome address.
My Lord Honorable Acting Chief Justice and newly appointed judges, my Lord Justice Sri Ramasamy Saktivel, my Lord Justice Sri P. Dhanapal, my Lord Justice Sri Chinnasamy Kumarappan, my Lord Justice Sri Kandasamy Rajasekhar, Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court and former Judges of this Honorable Court, the Learned Advocate General, the Learned Additional Solicitor General, the Learned Additional Advocate Generals, the Learned Assistant Solicitor General, the Learned Government Pleader, the Learned Public Prosecutor, and the law officers of the State and Central, the Chairman and Vice Chairman and Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Vice Chairman and Co-Chairman Bar Council of India, President and other office bearers, various associations, respected senior advocates and members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the oldest law association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure of extending to the newly appointed judges of this Honorable High Court a very warm and heartily welcome on your assumption of these Honorable judges of this Chartered High Court. The Law Association is its 93 years of the glorious existence has been the witness to many historical events in the surrounds of these 4 new Honorable judges. We assure the newly appointed Honorable judges that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty and judges of this Honorable High Court. I wish all of office bearers and members of the Law Association that the newly appointed Honorable judges will have happy and memorable juncture of this Honorable High Court. Thanking you one and all of.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Thiru Justice Ramasamy Saktivel to give reply.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Honorable Judges and the former Judges of the Madras High Court, and Advocate General of the State of Tamil Nadu, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association, the President, Madras Bar Association, the President, Women Lawyers Association, the President, Law Association Madras, esteemed members of the Bar, law officers, Registrar General and other registrars, judicial officers and staff members, press and media, family and friends, ladies and gentlemen, my warm greetings to one and all. Firstly, I would like to thank Honorable Acting Chief Justice for administering oath of office to me. Thanks, ma'am. I also extend my sincere thanks to the Honorable Judges and the Honorable former Judges of the Madras High Court for attending the ceremony. I gratefully thank Honorable Justice Vijay Raghavan, Honorable Justice Ravichandra Babu, Honorable Justice Kalyana Sundaram, and Honorable Justice Govindaraju for gracing this occasion with their honorable presence. At this juncture, I sincere thanks to all the honorable judges and the former judges of Madras High Court who have provided me their invaluable guidance and mentorship throughout my journey. Thank you for your support in my abilities. I would like to make a special mention about my senior, late P.R. Kuppusamy, for molding me into who I am today. His memories continue to inspire and guide me in right path even today. In this grand juncture, I thank my wife Parvati, son Tamil Kumaran, and all my family members for their sacrifices, support and unconditional love shown towards me. Lastly, I am grateful to all the staff members who have worked tirelessly with me at various points of time for their hard work and support. Before I conclude, I pray nature grants me the strength to protect the dignity and prestige of the institution, to uphold the spirit of the Constitution, and to fulfill my oath in the pursuit of justice by carrying out my duties with dedication and honesty. Thank you everyone for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence and making this day truly memorable. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, my lord. I request Honorable Thiru Justice P. Dhanapal to give reply.
Good morning, one and all. My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of Madras High Court and former Judge of Madras High Court, Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, Additional Solicitor Generals, Public Prosecutors, Law Officers, Government Pleaders, Registrars, family members, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I thank my Almighty, my family God, Makala Somaya, Patalamman and Muttalamman for giving me this opportunity. There are many people I would like to thank and acknowledge for whatever I am today. It's certainly not something that one can accomplish all alone. What I am today is because of the support and guidance of many people, both in personal and professional life. Let me begin by thanking the Collegium Judges of the Supreme Court, comprising Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, and Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Joseph, for the trust they have placed in me. I owe my thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramanian and Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judges of the Supreme Court of India, for reposing confidence on me and recommending my name. My sincere thanks are due to the Collegium Judges of the Madras High Court, comprising Honorable Mr. Justice Munishnath Bandari, former Chief Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Doraiswamy, former Acting Chief Justice, and Honorable Mr. Justice T. Raja, the Acting Chief Justice. I thank Honorable Mr. Justice late M.Y. Iqbal, Judge, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Ibrahim Khalifullah, former Justice, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice C. Nagappan, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Justice L.P. Dharmarao, late L.P. Dharmarao, former Judge, High Court of Madras, Honorable Justice D. Murugesan, former Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, and Honorable Mr. Justice Banamadi, former Judge of Supreme Court, for reposing confidence on me and selected in Direct District Judge in the year 2011. I thank Honorable Mr. Justice P.N. Prakash, former Judge of Madras High Court, Honorable Judges Paresh Ubadhyay, former Judge of Madras High Court, and Honorable Justice Mr. Justice Vaidyanathan, Judge High Court of Madras, who valued my judgments. I thank Honorable Mr. Justice P.R. Shivakumar, Honorable Justice R. Subbaiah, and Honorable Justice M. Govindaraj, the former Judges of Madras High Court, and Honorable Mr. Justice R. Suresh Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice J. Nisa Banu, Honorable Mr. Justice R.M.T. Tika Raman, and Honorable Mr. Justice C. Saravanan, Judges of the Madras High Court, for their encouragement and constant support as the portfolio judges during my tenure as the Principal District Judge of various districts. I thank Learned Advocate General, the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the Presidents of Madras High Court Advocates Association, Madras Bar Association, Women Lawyers Association, and Law Association, who have served me with compliments. I thank the Bar Associations of Dharmaburi, Tirunelveli, Kadalur, Puducherry, and Chennai for their cooperation during my tenure in the District Judiciary. My sincere thanks to the Registry for extending their fullest cooperation during my tenure. My sincere thanks to my villagers who helped me during my studies, late Mr. C. Palanisamy, late Mr. R. Rajendran, late Mr. T. Pandian, Mr. S. Murugesan, Vadivel, Babu, Yegambaram, Tornakalpatti, Pandian, S. Veluchami, Duraisamy, Palanisamy. I thank my school teachers, college professors, office bearers of Karur Bar Association, and my seniors, late P. Palniyappan and late K.K. Periyasamy, who taught me the repose of advocacy and instilled confidence in me. I thank my parents, Father T. Papusamy, Mother Mrs. Palaniyammal, Brother Mr. Palanisamy, Kanagajodi, Sanjeev Babu, Haris, sisters Mrs. Subbulakshmi, Rangasamy, Saravanan, Sangeeta, Gayatri, Mrs. Eeswari, Manivel, Sudhagar, Satyabama, and Mrs. Jagajodi, Bommuraj, Madhu, Nadia, Madan for their unstinted support. My sincere thanks to my father-in-law, late Balakrishnan, mother-in-law, Mrs. Valarmadi, Radha Madhuvandi, Palanisamy, Raja Saravanan, Nisa, my wife, Radha Priyadashni, daughter D. Geetu Jaisri, son Deena Hariram. I take this opportunity to thank my well-wisher, Maranur Pattakara, late Nadarajan. I thank my advocate friends who came from Karur. I belong to an agricultural family. Even though my parents are not well educated, they had a deep sense of what is right and what is wrong. Their values and experiences profoundly influence me even today. I am indebted to my parents, brothers and sisters for the efforts they have put into educate me. I would like to add here that my entire education was in Tamil medium, that too in government schools and colleges. This fact I am emphasizing only to encourage many budding lawyers and students who feel insecure having studied in Tamil medium. Nothing is impossible. All that is needed in hard work, confidence, and courage to achieve something in life. This architecturally impressive edifice of the Madras High Court exists to help citizens resolve their disputes. They bring their disputes to court with utmost faith in our judicial system. I assure you that I shall strive to ensure that public confidence in the judicial system, which is the cornerstone of our democracy, is maintained and justice is rendered to all and sundry equally. Justice is seen to be done when the judges operate in words and deeds. I shall ensure that my words will match my deeds in the form of disposal of cases by giving a fair hearing to all. Thanks to one and all for honoring me by your august presence. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. I request Honorable Thiru Justice Chinnasamy Kumarappan to give reply.
My Lord, the Honorable Acting Chief Justice and the Honorable Companion Judges, former judges, Honorable Justice Ravichandra Babu, Honorable Justice Kalyana Sundaram, Honorable Justice Govind Raj, Honorable Justice Vijay Raghavan, Learned Advocate General, Additional Solicitor Generals, Additional Advocates General, Public Prosecutor, Additional Public Prosecutors, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and other law officers of the government, office bearers of various bar associations, the Registrar General and other Registrar of this High Court, both in the principal seat and the Madurai bench, judicial officers and staff members of the registry and district judiciary, relatives and friends of all the honorable judges sworn in today, present media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to everyone. I express my thanks to the Learned Advocate General, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and the presidents of all the bar association for their nice words spoken about me. Today is a significant day in my life and it is an appropriate time to record my sincere thanks to all the honorable judges who have reposed confidence in me and have given me this new beginning. I thank the Honorable Collegium of High Court, consisting of then Chief Justice Honorable Mr. Justice M.N. Bandari, the then Acting Chief Justice Honorable Mr. Justice M. Duraisamy, the present Acting Chief Justice Honorable Mr. Justice T. Raja. I profoundly thank the Honorable Supreme Court Collegium, consisting of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Honorable Dr. Justice T.Y. Chandrachud, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, and Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Joseph. I also thank the extended collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, consisting of Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramanian and Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh. I also reminisce with reverence the Honorable Selection Committee for 2011 District Judges Recruitment, consisting of Honorable Mr. Justice M.I. Iqbal, former Judge of the Supreme Court, Honorable Mr. Justice L.P. Dharma Rao, former Acting Chief Justice of this Court, Honorable Mr. Justice F.M. Ibrahim Khalifullah, former Judge of the Supreme Court, Honorable Mr. Justice D. Murugesan, former Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice C. Nagappan and Honorable Mrs. Justice R. Bhanumati, former Judges of the Supreme Court of India. Today I cherish the blessings and incandescent benignity of my paternal grandparents, late Sri A. Thambiraj Konar and Srimati Vellakannammal. During my college days, my grandfather predicted that one day I would become a magistrate. His prediction, prophecy, and the God's ineffable benignity has bestowed on me this exalted position. At this momentous occasion, I also invoke the blessings of my late maternal grandparents, Sri A.L. Ramasamy and Srimati Ramayi Ammal. I also invoke the blessings of my late revered senior, Sri D. Godan Ramasamy, Doyen of the Coimbatore Bar. The challenges that one had to face being a first-generation graduate and first-generation lawyer were eased by my seniors' guidance, who played a major role in shaping me. My parents, Sri A.T. Sinnasamy and Srimati Tilagam, are here to bless me. They have taught me a life they have taught me to live a simple life with high virtues. I have always been guided by them to walk in the right path. I take this opportunity to express my love and affection for them. I seek the blessings of my in-laws, Sri T. Murugesan and Srimati Nagaratnam, who are present here in the momentous occasion. I thank my better half, Srimati K. Menaha, and my two lovely daughters, K. Swarnatilagam and K. Saumya, for their love and support. Though I have disappointed them many times due to my official responsibility, they never regretted. I was able to perform my duties with ease and peace only because of their support and sacrifices. My brothers, Sri Tiruthaniyappan, Sri Vellakannu, and my sister-in-laws, Mrs. Geeta Tiruthaniyappan and Mrs. Mathupala Vellakannu, and my nephews and niece, Selvi Tarageswari, Master Sudarshan Sinasamy, Master Kausik Sinasamy, and Selvi Saubarnika are present here to wish me and thank them for their affection. I thank the erudite bar of the Coimbatore bar, where I practiced for about almost 15 years. I thank all my teachers for their guidance. I thank the advocates and staff of the judiciary in Thoothukudi, Madurai and Chennai, where I served as a judge of the district judiciary. I also thank the registrars, officers and staff of the registry for their support and cooperation during my tenure as a registrar IT cum statistics and registrar general. I thank my friends and relatives for their presence here to greet me. I thank all the members of the bar, my colleagues and elders, and my well-wishers who are assembled here and who are watching this event virtually. The oath of office give a clear indication as to how a judge has to function. I am conscious of the fact that the power of judiciary lies in the trust, faith and confidence of the common man. The judges who have adorned this chartered high court have set high standards and have left their indelible mark to be followed. I would strive every minute of my life to strengthen the trust, faith and confidence that the common man has reposed on this institution. I am confident that with the guidance of the honorable judges of this court, cooperation of the bar and the registry, I shall perform the divine function entrusted on me to the best of my ability and in terms of the oath taken by me this day. I thank everyone once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord. I request Honorable Thiru Justice Kandasamy Rajshekhar to give reply.
Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Senior Brother and Sister Judges of Madras High Court, Advocate General of State of Tamil Nadu, Additional Solicitor General of India, other law officers of state and central government, Chairman, members of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Presidents, Secretaries and members of various Bar Association, Registrar General, other officers and staff of High Court Registry, my family members and family members of my colleagues, press and media. Very good morning to all. At the outset, I express my profound gratitude to the Honorable Madras High Court Collegium of Honorable Mr. Justice Munishwanath Bhandari, then Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Duraiswamy, former Acting Chief Justice, and present Honorable Acting Chief Justice, for reposing confidence and recommending my name for elevation. I am eternally grateful to the Collegium of Supreme Court, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Honorable Mr. Justice K.M. Joseph, and consulting judges, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ram Subramanian and Honorable Mr. Justice M.M. Sundaresh, for endorsing and recommending and elevating my name. I am fortunate to have my parents present today, Mr. Kandasamy and Mr. Lakshmi Kutti, who have hailed from very humble background, and they have contributed and supported me to reach this position in my life. After my enrollment as an advocate, I have practiced for 13 years and had a guidance and support of Mr. V. Krishnamurthy, Mrs. P. Bhagyalakshmi, Mr. A. N. Rajan, and Mr. Abdukumar Rajaratnam, advocates from Chennai, and Mr. U. Chandrasekharan, advocate from Coimbatore, and I thank them at this memorable event. I have been appointed as a direct district judge in the year 2011. I take this opportunity to thank Honorable Mr. Justice M.Y. Iqbal, then Chief Justice of Madras High Court, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice L.P. Dharmarao, former Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice F.M. Ibrahim Khalifullah, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice D. Murugesan, former Chief Justice of High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice N. Nagappan, and Honorable Mr. Justice R. Bhanumati, former Judges of Supreme Court of India, who have selected me as a direct district judge and given me an opportunity to serve as a judicial officer. During my judicial service of 13 years, I have been mentored and guided by Honorable Senior Portfolio Judges, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Venkatraman, Honorable Mr. Justice Paul Vasandakumar, Honorable Mr. Justice K. N. Basha, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Rajeswaran, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Nagamuthu, Honorable Mr. Justice C. T. Selvam, Honorable Mr. Justice Paresh Ubadhyaya, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Magadevan, and Honorable Mr. Justice D. Krishnakumar. I thank them for the guidance and support to successfully complete my tenure as a district judge and reach this position. From the year 2019 to 2022, I have also served as a member secretary, Tamil Nadu State Legal Service Authority, Chennai, and this period has given me an opportunity to serve under the guidance of Honorable Mr. Justice Vineet Kothari, former Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice R. Subbaiah, Honorable Mr. Justice N. Kribagaran, Honorable Mr. Justice M. Duraiswamy, then Executive Chairpersons of the Tamil Nadu State Legal Service Authority, Chennai, and Honorable Mr. Justice Manikumar, then Chairman of High Court Legal Service Committee, and former Chief Justice of Madras, former Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. Under their guidance, I was able to do a different role and serve large number of people during COVID-19 pandemic, and it's my pleasure to thank them at this precious occasion. Finally, yet importantly, I wholeheartedly thank my wife Mini Rajasekhar, my sons Mugil and Agil, my brothers Mr. Rajendran and Mr. Rajan, who have supported me throughout my life, and also I thank my friends, relatives, and well-wishers on this memorable day. I also thank Advocate General and other bar presidents for giving a welcome address to us and for the next stride. I once again thank one and all who present here and also who are joined through the video conferencing, and thank press and media. Thank you all.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord? National anthem.
Jana Jana Mana Adhikar